You know it's bad when people are on YouTube at 2 a.m. searching one weird trick to kill bed bugs instantly. And what do they find? Videos telling you to put dryer sheets under the mattress, smear mayonnaise on the bed frame, or blast the bugs with a hairdryer like you're giving them a spa day. Seriously? People are out here marinating their furniture like fried chicken just to avoid calling an exterminator. But here's the ugly truth nobody in those viral hacks will say out loud. Bedbugs laugh at most of this stuff. Not literally, that would be terrifying, but close enough. They're built to outlast almost anything we throw at them. And if you've ever wondered why your miracle hack didn't work, here's the science behind it. Let's start with the crowd favorites. Rubbing alcohol and vinegar. Sure, they kill bedbugs on contact, but the keyword is contact. Unless you spray each bug directly, and good luck finding the ones hiding deep inside your mattress seams, your victory lasts about 2 hours. Essential oils, they make your room smell nice and irritate the bugs a little, but that's it. If lavender really killed bedbugs, hotels would smell like perfume counters instead of pest control vans. Now the clickbait classics. People with millions of views showing off the hairdryer method. 2 minutes of hot air and the bug might die. But the eggs behind your baseboard are clinking champagne glasses waiting for their turn. And don't even get me started on the mayonnaise trick. Yes, someone actually recommended coating furniture with mayo to suffocate the bugs. Congratulations, now you have pests and an ant problem. So what actually works? Here's the boring truth. Heat above 45 degrees Celsius or 113 degrees kills bed bugs and their eggs. If you can reach that temperature everywhere they're hiding. That's why tossing clothes in a hot dryer for 30 minutes works, or steaming seams carefully. Washing on hot, vacuuming with a strong cleaner, sealing your mattress with an encasement, and using diatomaceous earth in cracks. All solid, science-backed moves. Not viral, not sexy, but effective. But here's the twist. Even when you do it right, chemical sprays are losing their edge. Bedbugs have evolved resistance to many common pesticides. Some strains can crawl right over treated surfaces like it's a red carpet. So if you're spraying store-bought chemicals everywhere, you might just be breeding a tougher generation. The real nightmare isn't killing them, it's the survivors that come back smarter. And the scariest part? Their reproduction speed. One female lays hundreds of eggs in her lifetime. They hatch in about a week, and in just over a month, those babies are ready to start their own egg-laying party. Miss a single pocket of bugs, and the infestation resets like you never fought them in the first place. So, do DIY methods really kill bedbugs? On the ones you hit directly? Yes. But as a full solution, not even close. Most hacks online are built for views, not victories. The stuff that actually works is repetitive, dull, and takes patience. Meanwhile, bedbugs are sitting in the wall waiting for you to slip up. So the next time you're tempted by a video promising instant bedbug cure with olive oil and garlic, remember, if that really worked, pest control companies would be out of business and your mattress would smell like pasta night. Have you ever tried one of these DIY tricks? Did it work, or did the bedbugs just laugh at you? Drop your story in the comments. Check out another BeastOS video for more survival secrets, and subscribe, because the only thing harder to kill than bedbugs is bad advice on the internet.